My wife and I were apprehensive about going solar. We just felt it wasn't the thing for us at the moment. We always had the false assumption that solar was for the rich and wealthy until I met Ross and we talked about the benefits of solar and realized that it's not just for the wealthy. It's for working class people like us. The biggest benefit was obviously saving money every month. My utility bill averaged anywhere from $280 to $370. Now my utility bill is zero. And I gotta tell you, as far as the installation goes, it is really clean. I've seen some homes in my area that have not been done by Solar Tech. It was, I don't want to say shoddy work, but you definitely tell the work was not quality. And with Solar Tech, the work is spotless. They're clean, they're professional, they leave nothing around. My biggest concern was, are there gonna be screws? Are there gonna be bits of wires? Are there gonna be bits of glass? There was nothing on my property. Russ really cares about the way the customer is having this experience. His first concern is with the quality of his work, his crew, and his customer service. He does get back to you in a very timely manner. What he does to go above and beyond the customer is at ease the entire way. I'm Bill D'Ambrosio, and I highly recommend Solar Tech Elec for all your solar panel needs.